Hey, welcome to the 10M. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the best app in 2021 or years from now, which is giving you the best money from the years, right? According to the records. Right now, in today's time, when every day there's a new app coming in, they pay you very much little money that's not worth your time, right? So I want to tell you the best app for you. So there's not just one app, there's a 2 to 3 apps combination from where you can make the money. The number one app I recommend is YouTube. Just forget everything, just try it. I just tried every single app on the platforms and nothing worked out, but YouTube is literally works. It pays you the money because you can see right now there's many people making the greatest amount of money. The second one app is Instagram. When you do the YouTubes, transfer the traffic, that transfer those subscribers to the Instagram and make their money too, right? Because and right now the Facebook also comes up with the monetization programs, right? So you can make a Facebook page and you can get paid on that too. So it is the best time, and if you like this video, please subscribe right now to the channel so you can notify all the these kind of informations, and we're going to make the full videos right now also, right? That's all right now. Bye bye.